G'day everyone, welcome back to Drone Victoria. There's a real buzz around the drone world at the moment following DJI's big announcement this morning. And today we're going to be looking at the brand new Mavic Air. Welcome back everyone. Look, I'm really excited about this announcement from DJI. I think what they've done is that they've created a really clear entry-level, mid-level and high-end level drone in the portable market. So I think where the Mavic Air sits in that is somewhere between the Spark and the Mavic Pro Platinum. From a specs point of view, the Mavic Air sits nicely in the middle in between the Spark and the Mavic Pro Platinum. When you look at flight time, the Spark's at 16 minutes and the Mavic Pro Platinum's at 30. So the Mavic Air fits in there at 21 minutes. From a gimbal point of view, the Mavic Pro Platinum runs a 3-axis gimbal, as does the brand new Mavic Air, whereas the Spark runs off a 2-axis gimbal. From a camera point of view, on the Spark you're looking at a 1080p camera. Then when you move up to the Mavic Air and the Mavic Pro Platinum, they're both supporting a very similar 4K 30 frames per second camera. All three drones contain the really useful active track mode, and if you have a look at this video up here, I'll explain that in more detail. Internal storage. The Mavic Air actually contains 8 GB of internal storage, which means if you forget your memory card or your memory card is full, you can actually switch over and record that precious video on internal storage and then transfer it to your computer at a later date. With a top speed of 68.4 kilometers an hour, the brand new Mavic Air actually trumps the Mavic Pro Platinum's 65 kilometers an hour, and that's considerably faster than the Spark is capable of, which is 50 kilometers an hour. Another area where this new drone trumps the Mavic Pro Platinum is for sensors. Big Brother actually has front-facing and downward-facing sensors. The new Mavic Air contains front, down and rear sensors, and if you've ever flown a Mavic, you'll know that nervous feeling you get when you're flying backwards out of sight. You're really conscious of that, so I think this is really good that DJI have addressed that issue and incorporated a rear-facing sensor on the new Mavic Air. As far as price goes, according to DJI today, the Mavic Air comes in at exactly double the cost of the Spark and a few $100s less than the Mavic Pro Platinum. So if you're talking in Australian dollars, you'll be paying $12.99 recommended retail price for the Mavic Air. In the US, that's $799. So to wrap things up, I think this is a really positive announcement from DJI. If you're in the market for a portable drone, you've got 3 clear choices. You've got your entry-level Spark, you've got your mid-range Mavic Air and your top-end Mavic Pro Platinum. This range is quite clear and quite distinct from the DJI Phantom range. So if video quality is important to you and you're not so worried about size and you're not thinking about travelling or having to pack things into your bag, well then the Phantom series is for you. But if you're a traveller and you want to be able to catch that shot on the run, then these 3 portable drones from DJI are absolutely fantastic and I'd thoroughly recommend them. So thanks for watching today. I've put the link for the brand new Mavic Air front and centre down in the description. You'll also find links for the Spark and the Mavic Pro Platinum as well if you want to check those out. Don't forget to hit like and we'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks for watching today and we'll see you next time on Drone Victoria.